Today we shall discuss exercise 3.5 question number 3. Which factors are not included in the prime factorization of a composite number? First of all, we have to know what is a composite number. A composite number has always more than two factors, and a prime number has only two factors, that is 1 and the number itself. Let us take one prime number. Suppose 2 is a prime number. 2 is a prime number, right? Now, if I factorize it, prime factorization method, that is we can write here as that is if we write 2, then it can be written as 2 into 1, right? Since it is a prime number, it has only two factors, 2 and 1, right? And if we take a composite number, suppose the composite number is 6, okay? Then it can be, if we do the prime factorization method, then we can use it as 2 into 3, right? But we do not write as like this 6, that is 6 1 is 6, 1 6 1. We will not write like this, like, right? That means 1 and the number itself are not included in the prime factorization of a composite number, right? Again, you see, suppose a number I have taken, suppose the number is 20. We will not write like 1 and 20. What we will write? We will write 20 as prime factorization, then it will be 4 5 is 20, right? It is 4 into 5 is equal to 20, and here you write again 2 into 2, 2 into 2, right? That means 1 and the number itself, 1 and the number itself are not included in the prime factorization of a composite number. Therefore, the answer is 1 and the number itself and the number itself are not included in the prime factorization in the prime factorization in the prime factorization of a composite number of a composite number of a composite number, right? Therefore, the answer is that 1 and the number itself are not included in the prime factorization of a composite number. Here you see, that is suppose 6, we cannot write 1 and 6, we will write 2 into 3, right? The same way if we write 20, we will not write 1 and 20, but we will write 4 into 5, and 4 is equal to 2 into 2, right? That means 1 and 20 is not written. Therefore, 1 and the number itself are not included in the prime factorization of a composite number.